So this is a gentleman by the name of Richard Robinson. I hope it's the right one's on the board. Bam, cool. The title of this is called Routine is Similar to Addiction. Reclusion is when the brain hides from itself, when all we have to turn to for answers are the same unbearable questions we wish to evade. Natural landscapes can't evade us. They're our escape. We wish to evade what we've done to them, and subsequently what that has done to us. Reclusion is when the brain hides from itself, when it asks the landscape for some kind of holiness, and by holiness I mean the veneer of faith, the sweet spot of relief, the something existential we can't get away from. We wish to evade somewhere we didn't have any input in other than existing. This particular hill is like an emotional reset. And then I go back to London and feel like I could cope. The wind and blue skies just blow everything out of your head, exhale and reset. That's nature, reserving the right to reset us. Recalibrate and cleanse the world is our MOT test for our mental health. If only we could create a map of the brain to leave our comfort zones. If only that map could contribute to buildings to leave theirs. If only routine didn't comfort our fears, we wouldn't build to endure the test of time, but contribute to a limited time until we wish for better.